Well, welcome back, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo on the team, working very hard. But anyway, today we make... Welcome back with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Today we're going to show you how you can make the same stewed chicken which we marinated 2 days ago. I did so many stewed chicken on the YouTube channel, guys, but you know what I mean? A little bit of oil, that's olive oil. This is a stewed chicken which we marinated 48 hours ago. That's from my frozen bug. Nice and lovely. Second thing, add some ketchup. I want to simply say to you guys, people always say, oh, why the chef they always cook this kind of way? But I said to you guys, when you need your food to taste the right and proper way, you have to add ingredients. Basically, I'm going to add a little bit of sweet chili sauce. This is my version of Jamaican stewed chicken, alright? This is how I do mine. So basically, as you can see, this is a stewed chicken right here. Lovely and nice. Basically, I'm gonna put up a little bit more heat on it, cover it, and leave that for roughly one nice good 10 minutes. Then we'll come back towards it, alright? Enjoy the recipe, guys. Lovely. So let's see exactly what's going on inside of the pot right here. Thing looking good. That's the only thing we love with stewed chicken, yeah? It brings its own juice. So just look at that. That's looking lovely and nice. Really, really nice, guys. Seriously. That is beautiful. So basically what I'm gonna do, yeah, is meantime this is keep simmering and cooking. I'm gonna cut up some carrot, potato, more spring onion, and some scallion. Let's crack on with that in the meantime. Lovely. Nice and lovely. So as I can see, things is looking good. So what I'm gonna do now, I just cut up 2 potato and 2 medium-sized carrot, half of a mixed peppers, spring onion, and half of white onion. And here it is. Straight inside of it like that, guys. Beautiful, lovely, and nice. So basically, as you can see, exactly where I'm about with this lovely, nice and lovely stewed chicken. If you start, one thing with stewed chicken, I don't need to add water. It springs its own juice. Sometimes you have to do add water still. But as you can see, this is pretty looking good so far. lovely and nice. Let's give it a taste to see exactly what's going on right here. Wow, that tastes nice, man. Little bit of chicken season. A little bit of paprika, my favorite. Some of my friends said. And a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, just to bring in back the flavor. Kind of sweat it. A little bit of coarse pepper. And also just a pinch of boiling water. Just a little pinch, not too much. We don't want to spoil it. So remember, it's a pinch. Alright? Then second thing, I might have to put a little bit more just a little pinch of browning, not too much. Just a little pinch of browning, alright? That's a pinch, not too much. A little bit more ketchup. Pinch of sweet chili sauce again. Just to bring up the flavor. Sunday, when you're cooking rice and peas and stewed chicken, you must go always have flavor and taste. Make the kids and the family happy. Alright? So just look at that now. So as you can see exactly how that's looking lovely and nice. Alright? Then leave this for a nice good 15 minutes and make it cook on a medium size heat. Enjoy the recipe, guys. Nice and lovely. So we are on the way with this stewed chicken, guys. So basically it's roughly a nice good 15 minutes now since I've been cooking it. Let's take a look. So you can see where Chef Ricardo is all about when we're talking about Jamaican stewed chicken. That is proper beautiful stewed chicken, guys. If you like the recipe, please leave your comments and subscribe to the channel because this is finished. And now we're gonna share it out with some rice and peas, or you can share it whatever you like. Fried dumpling, plain rice, coconut rice, hard food, whatever you like. You can share this rice and stewed chicken with anything. Stewed chicken is good. I love it. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show, and hopefully we can come up with better and best in the future. Thank you so much.